Have you ever wondered, my friend, with a heavy heart, why some paths feel so burdened? Not everyone who walks into your life was sent by God. Oh, the pain of realizing that. The quiet ache in your soul. Sometimes the very people you're helping, pouring your heart into, are the ones blocking your blessings. It hurts, doesn't it? That deep, lingering sorrow when your kindness seems to vanish into the void. And maybe it's time to realize, with tears in your eyes and hope in your spirit, not every connection is divine. Some are distractions that pull at your heartstrings. Some are challenges from the enemy, disguised as good intentions, leaving you feeling betrayed and alone. It's time to open your eyes and your spirit. Feel that protective warmth rising within, because discernment is your shield, your emotional fortress against the storms. Welcome to Jesus Within, where faith meets the raw emotions of real life and God's truth heals the broken hearts. If you're new here, feeling that pull in your soul, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a message that could mend your weary spirit forever. Let's dive into today's heartfelt message. Not everyone in your life was sent by God. Oh, how our hearts ache when we learn this truth. Some people are lessons in disguise, wrapped in pain and growth. God uses them to teach you through tears and trials when to stop helping and start obeying His gentle, loving call. Number 1, the unrepentant. Don't keep helping someone who refuses to change. It breaks your heart every time. When a person knows the truth, experiences grace like a warm embrace, and still runs back to the same darkness, your support doesn't free them. It enables them, and that realization stings with sorrow. Proverbs 26:11 NIV says, "As a dog returns to its vomit, so fools repeat their folly." In other words, some people cling to harmful patterns, and your endless help might delay the wake-up call God intends for them, the one that could bring redemption. But oh, the grief in watching them stumble. Sometimes God asks you to step back with a heavy heart full of compassion, because pain can be the only thing that pierces their soul and gets their attention. Feel that divine nudge, my friend. It's not abandonment. It's love in disguise. Number 2, the manipulative. Some people don't want help. They want control, and it leaves you feeling trapped and exhausted. Their crisis becomes your burden, a weight on your shoulders that crushes your joy. They twist your kindness into obligation, make you feel guilty for setting boundaries, and pressure you into saying yes, stirring waves of resentment and fatigue. But hear this clearly with a surge of empowerment. Manipulation is not ministry. It's a chain that binds your spirit. Jesus never let Himself be controlled by others' emotions or expectations. He stood firm with unwavering peace. In Luke 4, when the crowd tried to keep Him from leaving, He walked away, His heart steady in purpose. His mission was rooted in divine purpose, not the pressure that tugs at our fragile emotions. If helping someone cost you your peace, the calm that God promises, it's not help. It's a trap that drains your soul and leaves you empty. Number 3, the divisive. God will never bless what divides His people. It grieves His heart and ours too. These are the gossipers, the drama starters, the ones who smile in church with feigned warmth but stir up conflict behind closed doors, leaving scars of betrayal and isolation. Titus 3:10 NIV says, "Warn a divisive person once and then warn them a second time. After that, have nothing to do with them." That's not cruelty. It's obedience, a painful but necessary step to protect your emotional well-being. When you keep helping someone who spreads strife, their conflict becomes your consequence, a storm that engulfs your peace. God isn't asking you to fix what He's trying to remove. Feel the relief in that surrender. But here's the good news, a spark of joy amid the sorrow. God also sends people who uplift your faith, who walk with you toward His purpose, filling your heart with gratitude and renewed strength. Surround yourself with those who reflect His love and truth, and feel the warmth of true connection. Listen, my friend, with a voice choked by empathy. Not everyone is meant to walk your entire journey. Some people are only for a season, not your destiny, and letting them go brings a wave of bittersweet tears. But God also places those in your life who strengthen your faith and align with His plan. It's painful to let go, the ache of loss, the fear of loneliness, but letting go can be an act of obedience that opens the door to God's best for you, flooding your heart with unexpected joy. If this message spoke to your heart, stirring emotions you've long buried, type "I'm letting them go" in the comments below. Feel that release, that freedom rising within. Your next breakthrough might be waiting on the other side of release, a burst of hope after the storm. Remember, with passionate conviction, helping is holy, but not when it drains your spirit or blocks God's lesson. You're not their savior. That role brings overwhelming burden. You're a servant of the one who is, and in that find your peace. And what's meant for you will never miss you. Embrace that promise with joyful anticipation. If this message touched your heart, stirring deep emotions, hit subscribe to Jesus Within, and share this video with someone whose soul needs this healing today. Until next time, stay rooted in truth, walk in peace, and never forget. When God says let go, it's not rejection, it's redirection, a loving path to your true destiny.